shakalaka, it's happened. You have exactly 24 days left to stock up on as much Bitcoin and altcoins as you can before this rocket ship takes off for the moon. Today's video, we're going to take a look at exactly why. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at why you have only 24 days left on average before this rocket ship takes off for the moon. Before we get into that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at The Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. And today's video is sponsored by Dogebtc, so stay tuned until the end for a full review of the project. Now, this chart here is shocking, and guys, something just happened with this chart. The time is ticking down, but we're going to get into this in a little bit, because first we're going to take a look at some other charts. Now, Trading Shot over on TradingView saying, hey, Bitcoin triple bottom formed. If you look in this purple area right here, we can see bottom 1 back here on May 19th, bottom 2 back here on June 22nd, bottom 3 just happened on July 20th. Now, a triple bottom would be stronger than a double bottom, we would think, and we're coming up to the same area, this resistance zone, and this purple line right here, which is very important, the 1-day MA50. You can see this on the chart. It's a blue line right here. We're coming right up to the 1-day MA50. Now, not only that, but he took a look here. This was back from July 15th. But he says, could January be the 2021 low? And if you guys remember back to January, Bitcoin was at $30,000. Could that be the 2021 low? It was actually 28.8. Okay. Now, he takes a look back at all the previous Januaries, and it turns out that when the RSI was above 60 in January, 4 out of 6 times that was a yearly low, excluding 2020 due to the COVID anomaly. So, except for in 2018 and also here in 2013, the RSI was above 60 and the January was a low. So 4 out of 6 times, that means 5 out of 8 times, 5 out of 8, a little more than half chance, more than 50% chance that January was the low. Potentially, we could see Bitcoin creeping a lot higher, because if we take a look at the fundamentals behind what's going on with Bitcoin right now, we could see the Bitcoin realized cap tracks the aggregate value of all coins at the price when last moved. It rises when coins are spent at a net profit and declines when spent at a loss. Since mid-May, the market has absorbed a $15 billion net loss. You could see prices come down significantly, but it's somewhat finding a floor most recently. And if we take a look, Bitcoin short-term holder MVRV measures the deviation of price away from the realized price. So short-term holder losses. So very low values indicate short-term holders are holding coins significantly below their acquisition cost. And as we can see here, we're back in the green. Now, every time previously that Bitcoin was in the green, that signals a very good buying opportunity. When it was in the red or close to the red, a very good selling opportunity. So the total Bitcoin price in the market has completely reset. Not only that, but the over-the-counter outflow RSI showing the strongest Bitcoin buy signal since July of last year. July of last year, Bitcoin was south of $10,000 before 6.5x'd. This indicates buying from institutions, high net worth individuals. So it also means it's a great buy opportunity. And likely what is going to happen from CryptoQuant here, Bitcoin short squeeze to $40,000 likely. So if we take a look, the Bitcoin price is low. The leverage ratio is on par with the peak in March and April, way up there. Also, the funding is still slightly negative, indicating higher short interest than long. So likely a lot of those shorts are going to get squeezed. And as we see right here, it's already beginning. 10.2 million of Bitcoin shorts liquidated in 10 minutes and just getting started. There's a supply squeeze. The reason that this happens is because most of the Bitcoin supply gets bought over the counter. It doesn't affect the price on exchanges. But a lot of people leverage trade, short Bitcoin, do other things like that on exchanges. And once the switch flips, then all those shorts get squeezed and the price gets higher and higher and higher, because they have to pay for those shorts at higher prices. So that brings me to this chart right here. This chart is freaking amazing. So a couple things happen on this. First thing is down here in the RSI. We've been watching this for a while. So the RSI, you can see very clearly, has broken above this trend line. And this happened 2 times previously in this bull cycle. First time it happened was March, this blue dotted line. Had you have waited and bought this blue dotted line, you would have gotten like 200% gains. Had you have done it this one, you would have gotten 650% gains. Well, this one, who knows what could possibly happen, but that's not the only thing that's happening right now. Because, like I said in, I believe it was this chart here. No, this chart here. Yes, this one-day MA50 is very important, and we can see it, this blue line right here, we're under the one-day MA50. Well, both times these yellow boxes, as you can see, Bitcoin was below the one-day MA50. We had a break in the RSI, and then the first time, 27 days later at this red line, it broke the one-day 50. The second time, we broke the RSI, 23 days later, broke the one-day 50. And then, this time, on average, it would be roughly 25 days, or August 17th, when we are likely to break the one-day MA50 based on historical results. And after both of those things happen, so after breaking the RSI and the one-day MA50, the first time you got 80% returns, second time you got 502% returns, who knows what's possible for this time? Because, hey, if it keeps increasing that same amount, Bitcoin price is going to go up like 35x. So I don't know if that'll happen, but that would be pretty incredible. So guys, overall, Bitcoin is looking absolutely insane, absolutely exciting. Every single buy indicator is saying buy right now. And this isn't only for Bitcoin, this is for altcoins too, because Bitcoin goes up and then altcoins go up alongside. So if Bitcoin fundamentally is this poised to go up, guess what? Altcoins are likely to do that too. Which brings us to the end of this episode. So make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell if you did enjoy, and onto the sponsored review of Dogebtc. You could find their website at dogebtc.finance. And granted, this is a sponsored review, so clearly do your own due diligence before investing, but I'm going to give you an overview of their project. So, a new era in the Doge hype, you can earn Bitcoin while holding Dogebtc. So you buy Dogebtc, you can buy on PancakeSwap, and while you hold Dogebtc, you actually earn Bitcoin, or BTCB, which is the Binance Smart Chain version of Bitcoin. Now, how does this happen? Well, with each transaction, what's happening is that there's a slippage. You have to set your buy slippage to 15% or your sell slippage to 18%, and 10% of that transaction goes back to be paid to the holders in BTCB, Bitcoin. Pretty interesting. So yes, their distribution is Bitcoin. 10% will be redistributed among our community. So as of right now, they've already distributed 5.84 BTCB, or 5.84 Bitcoin, worth roughly $200,000. And for those of you guys who are interested, this guy here, VEasy Does It, he says earning Bitcoin is better than mining rigs. He made $700 in 4 days on dividends. He would definitely put $10,000 into the real Doge BTC. So clearly it worked very well for that guy. Now, if we go on to look further, why invest in Doge BTC? So they have 0 team tokens. They have an experienced professional team, according to them. They have 10% Bitcoin distribution, 5% marketing wallet, anti-dump, and anti-whale. And you can go ahead and take a look at this Desert Swap audit. And I would recommend reading through the audit for anybody who's interested in buying, because there are a couple things like this one right here. They have JavaScript errors on their website. And clearly, I didn't do an audit of their website, but I do know that JavaScript errors can potentially be security vulnerabilities. So that's one thing why they wouldn't just get another audit. I'm curious about that. But as to their progress, they've made a lot of progress. So they've launched their website, they've had their pre-sale launch, multi-channel marketing, advertising campaigns, 10,000 Telegram members, Desert Swap audit, PancakeSwap listing, 1,000 plus holders, million plus market cap, CoinGecko listing. Now, in terms of growth, they have their CoinMarketCap listing and dividend dashboard with total and user statistics. So you can see here, if you hold Dogebtc, you can check out your dividends right there, which is pretty awesome for anybody who holds it. But some things that they're doing in the upcoming future: white paper release, 10 million market cap, 10,000 plus holders, 25,000 Telegram members, Blockfolio listing, Trust Wallet logo, and then also they have continued growth from there. Now, previously they did say they have an experienced and professional team, and that may very well be true, but it's very difficult to actually know when the whole team is anonymous. So they have CEO, lead dev, marketing specialist, and Lloyd in terms of social partnerships. Like most of the coins, we don't know the team behind it. You just kind of have to trust them and hope that they have your best interest in mind. FAQs on the website. So what is Dogebtc? The new era in Doge hype. Earn Bitcoin while holding Dogebtc. Yes, our distribution is Bitcoin. 10% will be redistributed among the community. So they give back to the community. Very nice. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. Make sure you click the settings icon and set slippage to 15% because, like we mentioned, 10% gets redistributed to the community. And when you sell, you need to set the slippage to 18%. Now, the BTC rewards grow automatically, so you just need to hold, sit back, relax, watch your wallet grow. A minimum of 200,000 tokens is required to qualify for dividend distribution. Now, at the current time of filming, the price is 0.40 and then 25, which makes it roughly $5 to hold 200,000 tokens. And so therefore, you can just buy it, earn your Bitcoin, join the community. This could be one of the next Doge type tokens. So they have Telegram, they have Twitter, they have everything there. You can go and find out. So some other things I just want to take a look at. Taking a look at the price, it seems like initially the price ran up and then has come down, bounced pretty significantly off of this area. This 1600 bounced right off of there and is heading back up. And some other things they wanted me to talk about in this. So the reflex are earned in Bitcoin, so that's very interesting. Hourly reflections automatically are distributed, so you just basically sit back and relax. They have Instagram and TikTok campaigns with influencers, major celebrity to be announced based on community votes and input, purple iPhone giveaway starting, and now listed on CoinMarketCap. So all of that going on for Dogebtc Finance. Thank you very much for sponsoring the episode. Make sure to check it out. And like I said, take a look at the audit and do your own due diligence before investing. But it's a very interesting idea that you can earn Bitcoin while holding Doge. So thank you very much for sponsoring the episode. I will catch you all later. Have a very good one. Peace.